Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GA4 conversions for TikTok traffic and dropshipping sales, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner. In the property column, click on Data Streams. Select the relevant data stream associated with your website. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurement section. Ensure that Enhanced Measurement is enabled for your stream. Return to the Property column and click on Conversions. Click on the New Conversion Event button. Enter the specific event name you want to track for conversions, such as purchase or lead. Click on Create to save the new conversion event. Now, open your TikTok Ads Manager. Navigate to the campaign that drives traffic to your dropshipping site. Make sure you have set up the TikTok pixel on your website. Go to the Events section in your TikTok Ads Manager. Make sure the conversion events in TikTok match those created in GA4. Now, test the TikTok pixel by using the Test Events feature. Visit your website and perform the action you are tracking as a conversion. Return to the TikTok Ads Manager. Check if the events are firing correctly in real time. Next, go back to your GA4 account. Click on Reports and navigate to the Real-Time section. Here, you'll see if conversions related to TikTok traffic are being logged. Wait for 24 hours after driving TikTok traffic. Return to the GA4 account and check the Conversions section again. Analyze the data to confirm that TikTok traffic is contributing to your recorded conversions. If you notice discrepancies, investigate each step of the tracking setup. Adjust any settings as necessary to ensure accurate data collection. Finally, regularly monitor your conversions to optimize your dropshipping strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.